Thembisile earlier on ukuthi sokhuluma ke noThandazani uTP Msomi esiphathele incwadi. Every Sunday usuke siphathele incwadi uTP esichazele ukuthi yiphi incwadi esingayifunda. Mr TP, good morning.
Hey, kwathi ngithi hello December.
Sesiphakathi kuDecember manje.
Mfowethu singenile kuDecember mfowethu. Kade nje ngikhuluma nomunye izolo ngithi kuyena Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Uthi hey TP, don't say that baba ukuthi mhlawumbe ngeke usangibona ngoba singakaweli singene ngale nyaka lomusha. So don't ever try to wish me a Happy New Year. Ngathi awuNkosi yami siyafunakala yazi spirit inkonyana. Ukuthi into noma ingakenzeki kodwa uyibone, uyibize, uyifile. So to everyone olalele njengamanje okade ngakhona ukuthi uDecember uzowubona, hayi ke usungaphakathi. Phaphama singenile njengamanje.
Thank you so much. Sikuwona TP yasivela singene straight nathi incwadi yethu sibone ukuthi ithini incwadi osiphathele yona namuhla nobani umbhalo wayo.
Hey my brother, namhlanje ngiphethe incwadi emnandi kakhulu esihloko sithi Vuka Chabalala on trial, and this book is authored by uDr. Vuyo Mthethwa, the daughter of the man on trial mfethu, a retired judge president of KwaZulu-Natal High Court. Vuyo Mthethwa is a human resource expert having stints in various roles as a journalist mfethu, known for strong government and ethical foundations. So ke namhlanje hayi kumuntu olalele iyo le ndaba leso ikhuluma kosekuseni kwiVuma FM.
Ngiyakuzwa TP, please ke let us know ukuthi iphumeni le ncwadi and just get down deep into the book usichazele ngayo kahle kahle ukuthi ikhuluma ngani le ncwadi.
My brother, this book was self-published laphana ke ngoMarch ka-2025. This book is titled laphana nje Vuka on Trial mfethu, documents the legal journey of Vuka Chabalala, encompassing his trials as tribulations as the first black advocate in Natal ngonyaka ka-1968, deputy judge president ngonyaka ka-1998, kanjalo ke ne-JP ngama-2000, and post retirement inspecting judge for prisons for those incarcerated mfethu ngonyaka ka-2010. The book combines his personal difficult legal journey mfethu mfokankonyana nabalaleli, including missing to sleep in a prison cell due to past laws such as Group Areas Act, representing political filings during apartheid, with his role as the adjudicator, including a review of his milestone judgment mfethu. So for those in trial and testimonials mfethu from those impacted, including a woman lady like Justice Leoneli Teroni, who is part of Concord, who pinned the foreword of the book. Justice Poyo Dwatli mfethu, the current JP at KZN High Court, who is the youngest and the first female JP in KZN. So nje lezo zinto misenkonyana incwadi yethu ke le namhlanje ekhuluma ngazo kubantu ke nje abathanda ke ezomthetho. Hayi ke ngiyacabanga ukuthi ke cha njengoba incwadi ngempela interesting kubona lena.
In closing tip isitshele ukuthi ke le ncwadi oyifundayo izomsiza kuphi nokuthi masidinga sithola kanjani.
Mr. Nkonyana, book written in a storytelling simplistic way mfethu, intended not to only narrate our history as African, but inspirationally for even the young to tell their family stories, especially for future generation mfethu. The book appealing to young and old, the legal fraternity mfethu. Author is currently translating this book mfethu in African languages. People can read the book and also would know that challenges and obstacles do not limit you, but prepare you to rise to higher levels. One should never let their backgrounds to pull them down or challenges, but must always strive to see the possibilities and opportunities. So ibona ke lokho khulu kakhulu umuntu azokufunda kuyona le ncwadi. Kwabayifunayo le ncwadi Mr. Nkonyana iyatholakala kwi-author kanjalo ke nakuTakealot nakwezinye ke izitolo nje edayisa incwadi, bese kubeke uyena o-Amazon. Mabesearcha nje besearche igama le ncwadi ethi ke Vuka Chabalala on Trial. It has a beautiful book cover mfethu, yabona ukuthi ke cha kusetshenziswe la kuze kukhishwe wona lo msebenzi lo. So ke abantu siyathemba ukuthi ke bazoyithanda le ncwadi, mabayilandele beyifunde bajabule kakhulu.
TP wena masikudinga sikuthola kanjani sikuthola kuphi?
Mr Nkonyane nabalaleli ayikulula kakhulu kwami ngiyatholakala nje ku WhatsApp u-072 318 1171 072 318 1171. Enkundleni ke mfethu zokuxhumana ngikhona as uThandazani TP Msomi, TikTok, Instagram, uLinkedIn kanjalo ke nakuna ke uFacebook mfethu. Email yami uthandazanitp.msomi@gmail.com uthandazanitp.msomi@gmail.com. Ubhakha ke Nkonyana ngushiye ngale namhlanje ungathi awuboni mngani nami cha
Ngiyasho ukuthi
ukhona ubhakha.
Ushiye eminyango.
Hayi usele ngale kwelinye room mfethu.
TP siyabonga kakhulu mfethu ngesikhathi sakho. Let's see you again next week Sunday. Sibonga ukuthi iphenye incwadi osiphathele yona uzosibhekela yona kwi-Mega Grace on Sunday. Thank you so much.
My brother, ngiyoba njalo ngokuvuma kwenkosi siyabonga mfethu.
Thank you so much. That was Uthandazani.